Hi everybody, I'm very much real. I know I don't talk often, but here I am. I actually have a sponsored video that I need to film. So those earrings I got for free, which you probably can't see. There you go. Yeah, I have to film a short video on these. You can get them from letteringift.com. Bye. Hello Glamazons, it's me, and yes, this is a sponsored video from letteringift.com. I hope you enjoy this video. Special thanks to Letterin Gift. This is sponsored. I did not pay for these earrings, but I think you all will like this. I really think you guys will enjoy these earrings. They're absolutely beautiful. So what I got was my name in rose gold over sterling silver. They make custom jewelry, so you can get anything you like. So let's jump into it. This is the packaging. Very cute. Very, very cute. Nice sturdy box. And voila, here are the earrings, a nice close-up. So as you can see, it's my name. These say Tiffany in script. There were options for the font, and there were options for just plain silver, gold over silver. I chose rose gold over silver because I don't have anything like that in my collection, and I thought they were absolutely beautiful. So it comes with paperwork, which I think is great, and they also tell you how to take care of your jewelry, and they tell you more about the company, and they guarantee it for at least 100 days. So it's not going to turn colors or do anything funky. You have a 100-day guarantee. I also would like to point out, if I turn the page a little bit, that again, this is custom. You can get whatever you want. So I thought that was worth showing you guys in case you want something really unique. Also, you can use code GIFT15 for 15% off of your purchase should you choose to buy them. So yeah, I'm very pleased with these. I think they're beautiful. This is something I would pay money for. I think I will reach out to them for other pieces of jewelry. I might get something with my YouTube name on it. And here I am just being goofy because you guys say you never see me, but this product is a total win, guys. I wouldn't have shown it to you if I didn't like it. And for those of you asking about Nacho, here she is being uncooperative. I wanted to get her on camera for you guys. She is 1 year old. But yeah, check out Letterin Gift, guys. I was very, very pleased with my purchase. I wore the earrings for a week straight before doing this video. I did not experience any tarnishing or color changes. And I think you all will thoroughly enjoy this jewelry. I will post a link in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching me and my spoiled little princess here. Please subscribe, hit like, and share. You can find me on Instagram, same username as here. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching. Thank you, Letterin Gift. Bye, Glamazons. Take care. Stay safe out there. Bye.